In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve or go over some common issues that could be causing your MacBook Pro battery not to charge or your charger isn't charging. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. First thing I recommend doing would be to try plugging into a different electrical outlet in your vicinity. Try that, see if there's an issue with the outlet itself. If you had an additional charging device or power adapter, I recommend swapping that out and trying that as well. Or if your laptop is overheating, that could certainly be a reason why it's not charging. So you may just have to go to a different area in your house or location and just maybe it's a little bit cooler, or just give your computer a few minutes to cool down. You can also select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and select System Settings. And there would be an option on the left panel to go ahead and select battery, assuming you had a laptop here. And then there would be an option on the right side for battery health status. You would locate that, and if it says service recommended, your battery just may need to be replaced. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.